Restore your missing contacts on iPhone with these methods. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Check default account. Open the Settings app and go to Contacts. At the bottom, tap Default Account and select the account you want to be the default. Re-enable iCloud Contacts. In the Settings app, go to your Apple ID, tap iCloud and select Show All. Disable Contacts and tap Keep on my iPhone. Restart the iPhone and return to the contact settings. Turn on Contacts and select Merge. Relog into iCloud. Go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID, scroll to the bottom, select Sign Out, and follow the instructions on the screen. Then, go to the Contacts app and check if all contacts appeared. Go back to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Enter your Apple ID credentials and follow the login instructions. Unfilter contacts. Open the Contacts app and tap Lists. Select All Contacts and check if all contacts are in this list. Sync contacts with your accounts. Open Settings and go to Contacts. Select Accounts. Tap an account and make sure contacts are enabled. Repeat this process for all your accounts. Restore contacts. Restoring contacts can help retrieve disappeared contacts as it allows you to recover lost or deleted contact information from a backup or synced account. You must first reset your device to factory settings to restore your contact. Then, you can restore backed up contacts in the device setup stage. To reset iPhone to factory settings, open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to erase your device. When setting up your iPhone again, restore the data that you remember had all contacts. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and tap Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.